Okay, there we go.
Happy 4th, Ash.
That scares me that it's a giant fire.
Grammy, take it, please.
Wow, it's cooking.
Grammy, please take it. Gosh.
You gotta think if it gets high enough, it'll choke out the fire. Because there won't be any oxygen, or very little oxygen. That's really cool. Sorry.
There you are. Trying to figure out why your shot collar ain't working.
That is very cool. I bet we could do the other one.
Let's see how this one takes.
See that, Eric?
That's nice. Dad, why is it blowing up to the air with that?
That's for Ashy. See that?
That's... I'm gonna try. Dad, how do you hold it? Like this? And then like this? Run.
You can still see the fire, too.